Games.
Why? It's Clean Up the Beach Day! We love the beach! So we're picking up any garbage we see to keep the beach nice and clean! Will you help? Jump on these scallop shells to bounce high in the air. Press the action button to jump on the scallop shells. Garbage! Helping us clean up the beach.
Hey, Dora, I think I see some more garbage. Oh, that's just the clam shell. Why can't he open his mouth to talk to us, Dora?
Look! I think the clam is trying to tell us to match the magic pearls. Maybe if we do, he'll open up. Pick the color pearl that matches the scallop shell up here. Use the left analog stick to highlight the pearl with the same color as the scallop shell. Then press the action button to select that pearl. Now we've got to find the green pearl. Now we've got to find the red pearl. Now we've got to find the blue pearl. Muy bien! Great color matching!
Oh, gracias!
Look! The clam is opening!
Hola! I have a story to tell. Deep inside the ocean, there was a mermaid kingdom where everyone was happy as can be. But then, a mean octopus dumped garbage on their heads.
Hey! Why are you dumping all that trash on me?
'Cause I love it!
Then, a beautiful young mermaid named Mariana found a magic crown and put it on. She made a wish, and suddenly the garbage was all gone.
Hey, what happened?
Once again, the kingdom sparkled. Up until the day a wave rose up and swept her crown away. And now the octopus is back dumping garbage. You've got to find the crown and save the Mermaid Kingdom.
Mariana the Mermaid needs her magic crown back.
So she can wish Mermaid Kingdom clean.
We've got to find the magic crown. Do you see the sparkle! We found the magic crown!
We found the crown! We found the crown!
Thanks for helping! Gracias!
Uh-oh! The crown gems are missing from the crown! We have to find the crown gems or the crown won't have any magic! Here is one of the crown gems. You need to find the others like it.
We've got to find all those gems and bring the magic crown back to Mariana to save the Mermaid Kingdom. Will you help? Great! Muy bien! Something in there?
Yeah, Dora. I can get it for you. Press the action button to have me jump in and search.
Something in there?
Yeah, Dora. I can get it for you. Press the action button to have me jump in and search.
Something in there?
Yeah, Dora. I can get it for you. Press the action button to have me jump in and search.
Oops, wait! That's a tide pool. Lots of little sea creatures live in there. We have to find another way across so we don't disturb it.
Hey, I think that little crab wants to help us.